Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something kind of new. I don't know that I'll continue this in any way, but I wanted to share some fun dessert kind of fall things we've done, and I titled it What's for Dessert. First off, I wanted to share these really cute pumpkin cookies that Connor and I decorated. I found this kit at Walmart for $10. This was a fun little activity that we could do together. The cookies though, pretty much just for decorating and look purposes. They were hard as bricks, but we had a blast decorating these cookies and I really wanted to share it with y'all. And next up, we made some chocolate monster cupcakes. You do have to buy the eyeballs separate, but you get a cake mix, or you buy the cake mix, the icing, the eyeballs separate, and the icing comes with sprinkles. On this day, I fixed some pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls. So delicious. Too bad they don't have these year round. They were so good and they were huge. And just for fun, with the Halloween kit I got from Dollar Tree, I put some pumpkin picks and some triple berry muffins before school time for Connor. Pumpkin spice hot chocolate, absolutely delicious. I had this with whipped cream on it, so good. My favorite iced coffee go-to in the fall right now, French vanilla iced coffee that you can just buy on the shelf at Walmart. And I take and I add pumpkin spice creamer to this. It's absolutely delicious, and mostly I put the whipped cream on top for aesthetic reasons. So I thought that since the video was going to be fairly short, I would also share, and it's fall themed, Connor's costumes. The Sam from Trick or Treat, and he got this Reaper light up eye costume also, and these were his costumes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.